Hey guys, so today I thought I would share my first impressions of the new Glow recipe PHA toner, Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA pore-tight toner, which just came out recently. I picked up during the Sephora sale, so I've been having about a week and a half to play with it now. And by the way, my shoes match my pants. I just thought I'd point that out. I have to point it out because nobody else is impressed except me. Okay, so the toner feels nice, but let me start with the pH of it. So for beta-hydroxy and polyhydroxy acids to properly exfoliate the skin, they have to be at a proper pH, usually between 3 and 4. And the closer you get to 3, the more acidic it gets. It can be slightly irritating for sensitive skin, but PHAs generally are a bit more gentle for skin. So if you have very sensitive skin, very dry skin, or other skin issues, especially dryness and sensitivity, the polyhydroxy acids can be a nice way to go to help prevent some of that. The pH of this one is right on the cusp of about 4, and I would say a little bit above 4 even. So that means you're not getting as much exfoliation as you would probably prefer. Although for a toner, as long as you're using another exfoliator in your routine, it's probably not as big of an issue. But if you're going to rely on this solely for all of your exfoliation needs, you might be a little bit disappointed by that. It does feel nice on the skin. It feels hydrating. It does a good job. So if you use like a good cleanser and then you just use this with a cotton pad over your skin, that's a nice way in case there's any leftover residue, or if your cleaner didn't do a very good job, or if there's a little bit more makeup left over, or you could simply just pat it on your skin. But personally, I prefer like a cotton pad or a washcloth. But overall, it's got a nice texture to it. It's got a watermelon in there as well as cactus, which is nice to see. Cactus is showing up in all kinds of products. So I predict cactus will have its big year in 2021. Although, I don't know. We'll see. I called bamboo for this year, and that's not quite happening. Although there's a lot of bamboo products out there. This does have a little bit of fragrance in it. And for some reason, to me, the fragrance of this, instead of smelling like some of their other watermelon products, it smells a bit like watermelon mixed with a little bit of green pepper. I don't know. Here, I'm going to ask the cameraman. Do you notice that? A little bit of green pepperish in there? I've been noticing that in a couple other products lately, too. So I'm not exactly sure what the deal with that one is, but overall it is rather gentle. Not a ton of exfoliation. I can use this in my routine along with another exfoliant later on in my routine and not have any issues, whereas with really exfoliating products, I can have some problems with that. So anyway, those are my thoughts on the Glow recipe product. I'll certainly give it a full review after I've gotten a longer chance to try it, but I also recommend keeping it in your cabinet because of the clear bottle. So anyway, kind of exciting, a little bit of fragrance. I'm not sure what the heck they were thinking with that fragrance because that green pepper scent is a little strange, but it does have a little bit of watermelon in it too. So thankfully it's the last ingredient, so not as big of a concern. But if you're looking for a lot of exfoliation, I'd probably go with the Murad Replenishing Peel or the Crave Beauty Kale Lula toner. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. But kind of a fun thing. So if you're into the Glow recipe, certainly think something else to try. So anyway, I'll do my full review soon. And anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try it out and what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to record some more reviews downstairs today. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much.